Today we're going to be talking about Prismatic Evolutions and the new 151 Blooming Water set. Let's check them out. Here we are over at PokeBeach.com. We have our Jolteon. We're just going to go through the cards. We're just going to have a little fun in this video and not take things too seriously, guys. A little Jolteon action. Looks nice, looks nice. I like this. I've heard of mixed reactions about Jolteon from certain people. Not going to name any names in the comments or the Discord, but I think it looks fine. I think it looks kind of like a dog, though. We have our Vaporeon here. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. We have our Glaceon, probably my favorite one so far. We have our Sylveon. Look at me. You're putting me to the test of my Eevee knowledge. We have our Umbreon. That card is going to be worth a lot of money, guys. That's going to be a high value card. It looks very similar to the Moonbreon, probably for good reason. And then we have our Eevee. This Eevee looks like something that would have sat on my grandma's kitchen counter. Kind of looks like I don't know, a doily. But here are all of the cards combined. So what we didn't see there, I know it's low quality, but that's all we got so far. This Leafeon. Ooh, I like the Leafeon. I like the Flareon. It's going to be a powerful set. The Espeon down here, powerful set. Espeon looks good, though. Man, this is a very fire set. I am worried for all of us and our pocketbooks. Here's the stuff for Terrestrial Festival, which is probably going to spill over and be in the Prismatic Evolution set. Ooh, look at those sleeves. Man, this set's going to go crazy. I was a little skeptical at first, but now that I'm seeing, the Eevee deck box, dude, I don't know if you've seen the Pikachu one, but that's pretty powerful. That's a pretty powerful image right there. Oh my God. The stuff that they're dropping alongside this collection is it's worrying me. You saw the Squishmallow, right? You saw the Squishmallow. You didn't see the Squishmallow? Guys, I know we're not even into January yet, but Eevee's about to be popping off, and I'm honestly worried. Where is the Squishmallow? How do I search by Squishmallow? Here you go, guys. The Eevee Squishmallow, $29.99, and it's a pre-order. It drops, you know when it drops? It drops right around the same time as the Prismatic Evolutions is starting to drop. So, you know, you might want to pick these up. Limit purchase of 2. Grab you a couple of these to go because you're going to need them when all this stuff drops because I don't think you're going to be able to find any of it. But that is dropping in addition to many of these items we are looking at right now. So we have that. We have this binder with the Pikachu. Kind of hard to see. I'm honestly not sure what this is. Maybe it looks like it goes like in a binder as like an organizer type of thing. The play mat here. Ooh, boy. They are really bringing the heat. Oh my God, like an old, oh my God, look at the Eevee though. We're in trouble. Oh man, the deck box. I guess you call that, I mean, it's not a deck box. What do you call those longer boxes? Card box? I don't know. Oh man, they are really bringing the heat. I don't even know what to say anymore. You got the coin with all of the evolutions. I got a lot of heat in the last video I made where I said to get your Prismatic Evolutions in as early as you can. I understand it's hard to get them in because they're selling out so fast. But I'm just going to say, if you can get it in, get it in. So let's touch on the Blooming Waters Premium Collection a little bit, featuring 151 packs. I am a little disappointed by this. I will admit, we do get 151 packs, which are great. 12 inside of here. I was thinking this was the Crown Zenith collection. It had 14, but this only has 12. And I mean, I know why, to keep the price down, but the promos are just reprints of cards that already exist. So I don't know. It feels kind of lazy to me, don't you think? It's cool that we're getting more packs, but I kind of, with how popular the set is, I thought maybe they would have done something a little more fun or a little more, special, make it more of a collector's item. But this, and then like the Costco tins, like it's just kind of lazy stuff. But hey, it has the packs and that's what matters. That's what everybody wants. So we have more packs coming. So that's good. So now the thing is with these, $59.99 for 12 packs. Let me do the math real quick. Well, I guess that's not hard math to do. That's like $5 a pack. $5 a pack when they're selling for around $8 or $9 online. Yeah, these are going to sell out immediately. These are going to be incredibly hard to find, just like the Eevee stuff. It's going to be incredibly hard to find. So what's your best play in obtaining some of this 151? I had to go to the Eevee page because the ads on the Blooming Water ones were just driving me insane. Join the Discord down in the description. Well, I like to post and everybody else likes to post when we find deals. So we're trying to work together, build a little community where we can all help each other find this product when it goes live. Once 151 Blooming Waters is available at retailers, usually it'll be on their website, and you can click a little button that says notify me when this is available. Sign up for text alerts, sign up for email alerts. I know Target does it. I think Best Buy does it, Walmart. Just check the major retailers, see if you can get them through there. Sign up for your local game stores if you can. A lot of them have mailing lists and let you know, or just go in and ask them. And they'll tell you, hey, you know, we know this so far, or we expect it at this time. They're usually pretty helpful in trying to help out the average customer. Outside of that, it's just kind of a gamble, in my experience anyways. You just kind of have to keep your finger on the pulse and hope you can find the stuff when it goes live. Keep your alerts on, be annoyed by everyone pinging you all the time for things that are or not deals, you know? You just gotta put in the work. Unfortunately, it shouldn't be that hard, but that's just the way it is right now because Pokemon has gone so crazy. If you want to watch me open some packs of Pokemon trading card game cards, well, stick around because I'm about to open quite a few. Oh, the Pikachu EX! I'm about to open a few. So hopefully that makes us feel a little better after thinking about the competition we're going to have, just trying to get some of the Prismatic Evolution and coming 151. Oh, look at that. I think we should do it. 151, whatever I was saying. Who cares? I hope you guys are having a good day. Let's rip. This is only the second time I've ever done this, and I'm playing this completely free to play, by the way. I found that the game, I mean, I've pretty much got most everything I want, you know. It's not too bad if you play free to play. Okay, I should take that back. I do the subscription thing, the $9 a month. So not totally free to play. I have the subscription. Let's go, Arcanine EX. There's like a quest to get that Arcanine right now too, which is nice. Pack 6. What is going on? We're hitting the EXs like crazy. Blastoise, Arcanine, Pikachu. Oh my god! The heat is on. I can't believe these hits. Got the fire hands today. 10 Pikachu packs. We get a Pikachu EX. We get this Pikachu. We got the Blastoise. We got the Arcanine. Boy. We're killing it. Another Pikachu EX. That is a great looking card there. 3 stars. Are you guys playing this game? If you are, let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Oh, the Raichu. I wish I wouldn't have clicked that so fast. I've been looking for that Raichu. I'm trying to fill out my Pokedex. That's my goal here. Oh, I got an achievement for collecting a mouse Pokemon. There he is. That is a cool looking card right there. So let's see where we're at here. I'm at 189 out of 226. 210. Well, almost there. And I've been playing since release. And yeah, like I said, I haven't paid money for packs or anything. I've just did the $9 thing. And I'm about there. Let me show you. And I'll just show you real quick. So this is like a very low drop rate, that Pikachu there. I'm very happy to have all of the 3 special illustration rares of the first 3 and the Pikachus. You know, you got your Misty, your Lapras, your Eevee, Dragonite, Mewtwo. The cards just look incredible. What can I say? So I figure you want to play at least this first season because it's like 151 Pokemon this season. So I think it's the time to play if you're going to play. And then if you just decide to quit, that's fine. I think though you'll actually have something that's worth something if you hang on to your account and you have a full binder full of all these cards. So that's it for me today, guys. If you haven't yet, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.